Meet the AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max, a powerful cordless robotic pool cleaner that scrubs, vacuums, and navigates your pool with precision. Enjoy effortless, all-in-one cleaning for a crystal-clear pool with just the press of a button. What's in the box? In the box, you find the AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max Pool Cleaner, cartridge filters, AIPER Scuba hook, support legs, charger supply, dock front cover, charging panel, and user manual. Product overview. How to pair. To pair the AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max, first install the AIPER app and enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Then, press and hold the power button and the navigation button simultaneously for 5 seconds to enter network setup mode. Open the app, select Add Device, choose the Scuba X1 Pro Max, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Once connected, you can control the cleaner, select cleaning modes, and monitor its status directly from the app. How to use? Before using the AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max, assemble the charging dock by securely connecting all of its components and placing it on a flat, stable surface near a power outlet. Fully charge the cleaner on the dock before its first use, then place it into the pool and press the power button. Select your preferred cleaning mode using the navigation button, lower the cleaner into the water, and let it clean automatically. After the cleaning cycle, retrieve the cleaner, rinse the filter basket, and return it to the charging dock for the next use. Maintenance. Place the device on a flat surface, then remove the filter box to empty, rinse, and dry it. Remove the necessary covers and screws to clean the filter, propeller, and impeller, then reinstall all parts, ensuring the alignment marks match. Replace the caterpillar tread by removing the side cover, rear wheel, and old tread, then install the new tread and secure all components. Replace the roller brush by removing the silicone buckles, fitting the new brush, and locking the buckles into place. Make sure all screws, covers, and clips are securely tightened before use. After reassembly, check that every moving part rotates freely. Perform regular cleaning and maintenance to keep the device operating at its best. Smart features? Cleans the pool floor, walls, waterline, and surface in a single automated cleaning cycle for complete pool coverage. Its intelligent design removes leaves, dirt, and fine debris, keeping your pool clean with minimal effort. Advanced OmniSense technology uses intelligent sensors to map your pool and create efficient cleaning paths. It minimizes missed spots and unnecessary overlap, ensuring fast, thorough, and reliable cleaning every time. Delivers high-powered suction to capture leaves, dirt, sand, and fine debris with ease. Its strong cleaning performance helps keep your pool water clear while ensuring a deep, thorough clean. The fully cordless design lets the cleaner move freely throughout your pool without tangled cables. It offers easy handling, simple retrieval, and hassle-free operation for a more convenient cleaning experience. Choose from multiple cleaning modes to clean the floor, walls, waterline, surface, or the entire pool. This flexibility lets you customize each cleaning cycle to match your pool's specific needs. Connect the cleaner to the AIPER app to start or customize cleaning sessions directly from your smartphone. Monitor the cleaner's status, select cleaning modes, and access convenient controls for a smarter cleaning experience. Specifications. FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your AIPER Scuba X1 Pro Max Pool Cleaner. See you at the next one.